Hello students, welcome to my channel. Now once again we are here with sequence and series, and today we are going to discuss about arithmetic progression. Right? Although we have discussed this topic in class 10, whether we are from CBSE board or from any board, we have already discussed. Now let's start. What do we mean by arithmetic progression? In arithmetic progression, each term if we subtract each term from its previous term, the difference is always constant. Constant means if I take a term a plus b, a plus 2b, a plus 3d, comma dash dash dash. Now just observe the terms. Each term is obtained by adding d in the previous term. A में d add करेगा, we get a plus d. Again add b, a plus 2d. Again add b, a plus 3d. Likewise, it will be going on. What I have told, subtract any term from the previous term, you will get the same difference. Right here, we are getting d. This is general AP. This is also known as general AP. Right now, in this AP, what is the first term we are having? First term is a. Common difference. Common difference is b, right? And now I am concerned about finding the nth term of the AP as well as last term of the AP. So if I talk about nth term, what it will be, right? देखो first term a plus b है, means first term क्या है? A plus 0d. The second term is 1d, a plus 1d. Third term is a plus 2d. So जितना भी टर्म है उससे एक क्या है, कम है. So nth टर्म क्या होगा? a plus n minus 1 into d. nth टर्म क्या होगा? a plus n minus 1 into d. अब बात की जाती है सर लास्ट टर्म क्या होगा? तो लास्ट टर्म भी यही लेंगे. लास्ट टर्म में n हो जाएगा नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. लास्ट टर्म में n will be number of terms, and nth टर्म में n कुछ भी हो सकता है. So this is same for the last term also. Last term is n equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. Now I will not go in much detail because these formulae you have already discussed in the previous classes. So few more I will be discussing. देखो दो ही चीजें हैं, nth term, sum of nth term. हाँ एक चीज और आ जाता है यहाँ पे, nth term from n. अगर मुझे लास्ट से nth टर्म निकालना है तो देखो डिफरेंस कुछ नहीं आता है. इस फर्स्ट टर्म की जगह लास्ट टर्म आ जाता है और d की जगह माइनस d है ना, डिफरेंस माइनस हो जाता है. nth टर्म फ्रॉम n का फॉर्म हो जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज सम ऑफ nth टर्म. सम ऑफ nth टर्म ऑफ एन AP. If I talk about sum of nth term of an AP, I can write it as Sn. You remember the formula? Yes, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or you can write Sn as n by 2 a plus l या a plus an, or you can also write as Sn equal to n by 2 2l minus n minus 1 into d. मींस लास्ट से मैंने ऐड कर दिया है. तो ये तीन फॉर्मूले जनरली यूजेस में फर्स्ट फॉर्मूले हम काफी ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. Now next thing is what arithmetic mean. What do we mean by arithmetic mean? एक सिंपल सी बात होती है, अगर मेरे पास दो टर्म है और मुझे इनका am निकालना है, arithmetic mean between a and b. So फॉर्मूला तो आप लोगों को मालूम होगा, it is simply a plus b by 2 है ना. In other words, if I am saying that x is arithmetic mean between a and b, right? So इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि if I write this, so these resultant will be in AP. मतलब arithmetic mean को सीक्वेंस में इंसर्ट करने के बाद जो रिजल्ट होगा वो AP होगा. इसका क्या मतलब? If I want to have an arithmetic mean between a and b, so I can say n arithmetic mean निकालना है. Suppose a is the first term, first arithmetic mean, second arithmetic mean, nth arithmetic mean, comma b. So n arithmetic mean को इंसर्ट करने का मतलब ये होगा कि these terms will be in AP, or in other words, if I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, any sequence, arithmetic sequence I am having, right? तो किसी भी दो टर्म के बीच में जितने भी टर्म्स होते हैं, that are also called arithmetic means. Okay. Now, how to calculate it? As we have already discussed, I can write the formula also. That what formula I can write? First, I will find D. N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, right? And last term is B, A is A, and number of terms will be what? N arithmetic mean I have inserted. Two terms are extra, N plus 2 minus 1, so into D, so B minus A upon N plus 1 is equal to D, right? So arithmetic mean का formula हो जाएगा, first arithmetic mean will be the second term, and second term is what? A plus D, means A plus B minus A upon N plus 1. Likewise, second arithmetic mean निकालूंगा A plus twice B minus A upon N plus 1. And similarly, nth arithmetic mean will be A plus N times B minus A upon N plus 1. Right? Now, next thing is, sometimes it is asked that find 3 terms of an AP. Find 4 terms of an AP. Find 5 terms of an AP. So how to write it? Just remember, it will be helpful. It is not mandatory to use like this. 3 term तो ऐसे भी होते हैं ना यार, A plus D, A plus 2D, है ना? But it is easy to take. क्वेश्चन आसान हो जाता है ऐसा लेने से. हम इस टाइप से लेना पर जनरली नहीं करते हैं. ले तो हो सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. 4 टर्म्स में A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, and 5 terms A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D, right? अच्छा, this video I have means explain the concept, you can say in bit hurry, right? थोड़ा fast पढ़ाया है, because we already know all these things. Just a brush up था, revision था हमारे लिए, right? So I hope these things are clear to all of you. In the upcoming video, I will be discussing some questions from the NCERT exercise 9.2. Few questions will be solved in the next video. Thank you so much.